What if I told you there's an all-seeing AI spying on your every move? It sounds like a sci-fi thriller, but is it really that far-fetched? In today's digital age, artificial intelligence seems like a magical, almost mystical phenomenon. Yet behind its seemingly mystical powers lies a fascinating process. One of the most intriguing questions on many people's minds is whether AI delves into our private lives through our social media accounts. Does AI use our social media to learn about us? Is our online privacy truly secure? And what's the hidden mystery behind how AI leverages social media? Let us explore these questions and more as we uncover the hidden mystery behind how AI uses social media. What's true? Artificial intelligence indeed learns from social media, but only from what is public. Public tweets, blog posts, and open YouTube comments are fair game. However, private messages and posts are off-limits. AI cannot spy on your private conversations or steal your personal information. Instead, it looks at billions of examples to find patterns in how we talk, write, or share ideas. Think of it like a student studying for an exam. Just as a student reads numerous books and articles to learn and understand concepts, AI reads vast amounts of online content to learn language patterns and generate human-like responses. Just as a student doesn't memorize every word in every book, AI doesn't remember every post or message it reads. Instead, it focuses on understanding the patterns and relationships between words and phrases to generate new text based on specific inputs. What's not true? AI does not log into your personal accounts. It cannot read your private Facebook messages, Instagram DMs, or WhatsApp chats. You can be sure that your private life remains private. AI is trained in bulk, meaning it processes large amounts of data all at once. It doesn't have the capability to spy on individuals or monitor their online activity. Each time you use an app like Facebook or Twitter, you agree to their terms and conditions, which often include allowing the platform to use your public posts for things like training AI models. However, these platforms also have their own rules about what kind of data they can and cannot share with AI companies. For example, Facebook has strict rules about what kind of personal information can be used to train AI models. This means that AI companies cannot use your name, address, phone number, or other personal information to train their models. Additionally, Facebook has the ability to audit AI companies to make sure they are following these rules, the hidden mystery. Even though AI doesn't have access to your private messages, it still sometimes generates responses that feel eerily personal. How is that possible? The answer lies in the vast amount of public data available online. When you post something online, whether it's a tweet or a blog post, it becomes part of a vast ocean of data that AI can access and learn from. By analyzing patterns and trends in this data, AI can develop a deep understanding of how language works and how people use it to communicate. It can learn about the world by reading everything from news articles to social media posts, and it can even learn about specific topics by analyzing specialized sources such as academic papers or industry reports. Through this process, AI develops a knowledge base that it can draw upon when responding to queries or generating new text. So while AI may not have access to your private messages, it still has a wealth of information at its disposal that it can use to generate surprisingly personal responses. In conclusion, think of AI as a student that studies everything that is public to learn about the world. It reads books and articles, watches videos, and listens to podcasts, but it cannot spy on private conversations or read your mind. When you post something online, it is like shouting in a crowded street. The echo of your voice may reach far and wide, but that doesn't mean anyone is listening in on you specifically. AI might pick up the echo, but it doesn't know who shouted. That's the hidden mystery of how AI learns from social media. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Tech Simplified. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun tech explainers. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.